There we go. I've opened up the very large field 2, almost about a hectare, to the 13 bigger pigs, and sort of for exploring. Girls, come on. Girls, come on. I scattered some of these pellets, concentrated protein feed. So I have to show them the whole perimeter, and we were really getting desperate because we needed to distribute their poop into a much larger field, because the small paddock they've had for a few weeks since they came is almost entirely covered in poo-poo. Yep. Hopefully they will get to wander all through the big field, which has been electrified after 6 plus 5, 11 hours of manual shoveling along the fence, most of it under moonlight last night. It's really good, and Sven Alf came by and plowed a really big pathway next to the fence with his tractor. So let's see how this goes. Come on. Come on, come on, come on. Everybody, come on. Okay, we want them to 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Where are the others? Oh, they're back up there on the hill. Let's go all the way, girls. Come on. Come on, come on. Come on, here. Come on. Okay, come on. Yeah, I'm going to try to take them all through the perimeter so they can find their way around. There we go. You can show the other half of the herd.